Baseline. What is baseline? How baseline will work in the project? Hello, my name is Azharuddin, planning engineer, and welcome to my YouTube channel Azhar Technical Zone. Let's start the video. Baseline is a minimum or starting point in project management, or we can say reference point used for comparisons. One more definition we can see for baseline is the actual performance against the baseline plan of the project. Once schedule preparation completed, then we will move next step to assign baseline in scheduling softwares. The scheduling softwares like MS Project or Primavera. In this bar chart, as you can see here in my right side, in this bar chart you can see the two lines. This is a baseline and this is a actual. As you can see in the picture, there are two conditions. In first case, as you can see here, the actual is later than the baseline, means the actual task which is going to be performed or commencing the later than the baseline. So this in this case we can say the task took longer than expected. What is expected? Expected means our baseline plan. Okay, so in this case we will call it as a our schedule is behind the baseline plan. Okay, so coming to the next case, the next condition, as you can see here, this horizontal bar that which is actual, which is showing in sky blue color, it is commencing earlier than the baseline plan. So it means the task is ahead the schedule. It means our schedule is ahead, or we can say the beyond the schedule as we expected as per the baseline plan. Hope you understand this concept of the baseline. Please follow my channel for this kind of important videos. Thank you. See you again in next video.